Viewers, a full-blown dynasty drama is playing out in the state of Bihar. Lalu Parivar is torn apart just a day after the NDA steamrolled RJD in the election. Rohini Acharya, who's the daughter of Lalu Prasad, has sent shockwaves to the state political landscape by quitting both the politics and her family ties following the RJD electoral defeat. Now, we're learning that in a sensational claim, she has claimed that she was thrown out by her brother Tejasvi Yadav and his close aides Sanjay Yadav and Ramesh. In fact, speaking about RJD's loss in the election, Rohini said that she was insulted, abused and even hit with a slipper when she questioned Sanjay Yadav and Ramesh. Listen in to what she said.
नहीं, मेरा कोई परिवार नहीं है। अब ये जाकर के आप संजय, रमेश, तेजस्वी यादव से पूछिए, मेरा कोई परिवार नहीं है। वही लोग निकाला है हमको परिवार से, क्योंकि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना नहीं है उनको। पूरा दुनिया बोल रहा है जो चाणक्य बनेगा तो चाणक्य से आप सवाल पूछिएगा। जब कार्यकर्ता चाणक्य से सवाल कर रहा है, पूरा देश दुनिया सवाल कर रहा है कि पार्टी का ऐसा हाल क्यों हुआ। अब जब संजय और रमेश इन लोग का नाम लीजिए तो आपको घर से निकाल दिया जाएगा, आपको बदनाम किया जाएगा, आपको गाली दिलवाया जाएगा, आपके ऊपर चप्पल उठा करके मारा जाएगा।
All right, we have a reaction coming in as far as Rohini Acharya's resignation is concerned. Nishikant Dubey has posted on social media, Lalu Prasad Yadav's magic ended during his lifetime. His son is beating his sister with a slipper. Is this social change or moral decline of Lalu Prasad Yadav's family is a question that the Bharatiya Janata Party is asking. Now, we're learning that it is important to note that weeks before the assembly election, Rohini, who had donated her kidney to her father in 2022, had expressed her disappointment over Sanjay Yadav's expanding influence in the party and his proximity to her brother. In September, she in fact shared on social media about Sanjay Yadav occupying the front seat of the campaign bus during the Bihar Adhikar Yatra, noting that the spot is actually reserved for the party's top leadership. Now, who are the key figures Rohini has referred to? Firstly, it is Sanjay Yadav, a Rajya Sabha MP and trusted political advisor to RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav. He has been the important member of the party since 2012. His rise to Rajya Sabha in 2024 highlights his significant a position in the party as well, where he plays a crucial role in shaping Tejasvi Yadav's political strategy. On the other hand, she's also named Ramesh, an old friend of Tejasvi Yadav, who hails from a politically prominent family in neighbouring UP. However, he faces serious allegations, including murder charges as well. Now, the NDA argues that the people of Bihar have chosen their leadership wisely, believing that those who are unable to manage their internal affairs cannot effectively govern the state.
कि जिस बेटी रोहिणी ने अपने पिता की प्राण रक्षा की हो और उस बेटी के मुंह से कराह निकल रहा हो, जिस भाई के कलाई में राखी बांधी आज उस परिवार को भी अलविदा कह रही है, पार्टी को भी अलविदा कह रही है, रोहिणी आचार्य। सवाल के घेरे में लालू जी आप हैं, राबड़ी देवी जी आप है।
देखिए, ये तो किसी के परिवार और पार्टी का अंदरूनी मामला है, परंतु अगर कोई बेटी अपने घर में सम्मानित और सुरक्षित और संरक्षित महसूस ना करे, मतलब कि कोई भारी के दबाव से, संजय यादव, रमेश के दबाव से अपने परिवार को, अपनी पार्टी को छोड़ने पर मजबूर हो, उनका सम्मान ना हो, उनका संरक्षण ना हो अपने ही घर में, तो सोचिए क्या बिहार की बेटी, क्या बिहार की आम साधारण महिला सुरक्षित, सम्मानित और संरक्षित इस परिवार के या इस पार्टी के संचालन में महसूस कर सकती है?
Let me go across to my colleague Niyamika, who's been tracking all the details. Niyamika, this clearly shows the internal rift between the RJD. In fact, serious allegations have been raised by Rohini Acharya. Take us through that, and has any reaction come in from the RJD on this?
yes, we have seen that after the Bihar Assembly elections, RJD hasn't just faced a defeat in terms of number, but also in terms of morality. The manner in which Rohini Acharya had made a tweet yesterday in which she had, particularly mentioned about Sanjay Yadav, and she had also stated that she is not just quitting politics, but she is also cutting all the ties with her family as well. After that, the serious allegations which she had made against Tejasvi Yadav as well as Sanjay Yadav by stating that whenever it is being questioned that why the RJD had to face the defeat in the Bihar Assembly elections by this kind of performance has been done by the RJD on the ground. Whenever Sanjay Yadav is being questioned, always humiliation she had faced within her own family. She had also stated that she was being thrown out of the room when she had questioned Sanjay Yadav, because no one is ready to accept that who is actually responsible behind this defeat of the RJD in the state of Bihar. But clearly it has portrayed a very negative image of RJD as well, because Rohini Acharya is the one who had donated her kidney to Lalu Prasad Yadav when there was so much of need, and that is the only reason why not just sympathy but all the respect is also there for Rohini Acharya within the political circle as well. Even the RJD's own alliance partner, Congress party, is also very much disappointed with the manner in which Rohini Acharya had quit the political career as well as has cut all the ties with the family. But in fact, it has also given an opportunity to the BJP to raise questions upon the Lalu Prasad Yadav's family, because they have also stated the same, that if the women of his own family are not feeling safe within the house, then how can they give such kind of assurance to the women of Bihar? That is the only reason why such kind of allegations were also being made against the Yadav family at that particular point in time when the elections were going on, and that can clearly be seen by the allegation which is being made by Rohini Acharya yesterday only.
Absolutely. And what are you learning about the complaint that she's going to file? Because she's mentioned that she was beaten with slipper by her own brother. Firstly, it was Tej Pratap, Lalu's son, who cut ties with the family, and now it is Rohini Acharya. Is she going to go ahead and file a complaint, or has she just moved on and cut the ties with the family only?
Till now, there is no such confirmation that whether she is actually going to take any kind of legal action against Sanjay Yadav or any other person within her own family. But this is whatever she has stated, whatever allegations she has made, that is in public domain only. She has spoken to media and made this kind of serious allegation that she was even beaten up by the slippers and she was thrown out of the room. So that is what allegation is being made by Rohini Acharya, but till now there is no such statement which is coming in from the side of RJD. There is no official statement or official remark which is being made by Tejasvi Yadav as well regarding this entire matter, because earlier it was Tej Pratap and now Rohini Acharya who had questioned their own family members, and that is the only reason why it has also given a point to the opponents as well, to the BJP as well, to question the ideology of the RJD, that the women of their own family are not feeling safe. They are also being beaten up. Then how can they give any kind of assurance to the women of Bihar? And that is the only reason they are saying that this is the reason why the NDA was being able to win with so much of numbers within the state of Bihar during the recently held assembly elections. Absolutely.
Very serious charges leveled by Rohini Acharya there against her family members, that she was beaten with slippers and also insulted. Thanks so much, Niyamika, for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on that. There are also allegations against